Today we're trying out spicy fish and chips. What's up, Foodbeast? It's Reach. We are here in Los Angeles, California at Fish Pop, where they're serving a wide array of fish and chip styles, all of which are unique and super delicious. Craft fish and chips served with a gourmet flair. Fish Pop is a pop-up gem nestled in the heart of Los Angeles. Now there's an energy and a buzz about these fish and chips, which are expertly crafted. So we caught up with Chef Joon, who's the owner, and learned a little bit more about Fish Pop.
My background is I'm from Korea, and I've been working kitchen industry like more than 10 years to 11 years. Everything is house made, so everything's scratch. My food always have to be balanced, like sweetness flavor and the saltiness and the sour, everything combined together when you're eating together, so it's well balanced. That's what I'm focusing on.
Alright, what we got here is my personal favorite, the spicy fish and chips Joon special. And as you can see, is a massive portion. Don't sleep on the fresh dill. It's a nice touch. People sleep on dill, but it has good flavor. Here I go. And what's dope is that Chef Joon, he uses rockfish. Now rockfish typically is a mild flavored fish by itself, but when you pair it up with this, it allows the spices and the flavor to shine. And with rockfish being a great texture and moistness and flakiness to it, it's no reason why this spicy fish and chips is one of my favorite bites in the city. Between all the different flavors of fish and chips, the massive portions, the expert craftsmanship going into each and every portion, there's a lot to love about Fish Pop.